Is your Peachtree software bogged down with unnecessary invoices, making your financial reports a headache? Let's get started. First, navigate to the Tasks menu in your Peachtree software. This is where you'll find the options to manage your sales invoices. From the Tasks menu, select Sales Invoicing. Clicking this will open the Sales Invoicing window and get you started. Now, it's time to locate the specific invoice you want to delete using the navigation arrows or by entering the invoice number directly. Once you've found the unwanted invoice, click the Delete button. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you are sure you want to proceed. Click Yes to confirm the deletion. Keep in mind that deleting an invoice is a permanent action. After this, the invoice will be permanently removed from your Peachtree data. Remember to check your invoice number. And that's all there is to it. Deleting unwanted invoices from Peachtree is a simple process that can greatly improve the accuracy of your financial data.